This is pheasants. There are several types of pheasants with common pheasant, golden pheasant, silver pheasant, etc. Pheasants are a group of birds that belong to the family Phasianidae, which also includes chickens, turkeys, quails, and peacocks. Pheasants are known for their colorful and diverse plumage. Pheasants typically live in open woodlands and fields, where they feed on seeds, roots, berries, insects, and other small animals. They are native to Asia and Europe, but have been introduced to many other parts of the world as game birds.